Hello, girls. How have you been doing at home with cold winter days? I hope everybody is okay. Today, I brought some new vocabulary words, city places. Some of the pictures of the different vocabulary words are places of this same city of Santiago. So, pay attention to see if you recognize any of these places as we learn the vocabulary. Now I'm going to present the different vocabulary words. I'm going to say them once, and then I am going to count it to 3, as always, like this. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to say the word together. Ready? Let's go. Park. 1, 2, 3. Park. Cinema. 1, 2, 3. Cinema. Theater. 1, 2, 3. Theater. Market. 1, 2, 3. Market. Bakery. 1, 2, 3. Bakery. School. 1, 2, 3. School. Pool. 1, 2, 3. Pool. Police station. 1, 2, 3. Police station. Fire station. 1, 2, 3. Fire station. Hospital. 1, 2, 3. Hospital. Restaurant. 1, 2, 3. Restaurant. Okay, so did you recognize any of the places that you saw? Let's see. First, the park. This is Parque Bicentenario and it's here in Santiago. Have you gone? This is the theater, Teatro Municipal of Santiago. You can go there to see opera or ballet pieces. And this is your school, Colegio Huelén, that we miss so much, right? Okay, so I hope that you like it. Bye-bye. Kiss for everybody.